welcome back to my page. It's Infinite Magic, and I'm here with
Infinite Rissi.
Woo! And we got some good food today, man. We got some good stuff. We got some rice, we got carrots, we got broccoli,
Asparagus,
you know, a little sauce. So I guess you can call it some veggie stir fry.
or something like that.
All I know is it's fire, and we're hungry, and we're starving. And it's been 25 years once again, and we're thirsty.
Yes.
And that's all I got.
Yes.
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 So yeah, we're gonna eat.
Yes.
What day is it?
I don't know what today is.
Well, we don't know what day it is or what year it is.
It's Tuesday, the 4th.
Oh, and we're on planet Earth. How the hell we get here?
According to science.
Big bang. You can't go wrong with the ginger Sprite. If you've never had this, you need to have it. And you need to have it now. You just can't have any of mine. Why is food so good?
Well, according to science, food tastes so good because we have taste buds.
What exactly are they? Like little receptors?
Mm-hmm.
Food receptors! They're like little trees. Look.
Mm-hmm. And if I remember correctly, you know, flavors, they have, you know, their little compounds, and so only certain molecules fit in certain ones.
Bro. If I didn't have my sense of taste, I would be so sad. Because honestly, I love food so much that I could probably become gluttonous if I was around like a constant array of different kinds of food that was free. I would eat it all. What is she doing? Oh yeah, she cooked this, by the way.
Oh yes, I did. Ah yes, Illumina.
The burp queen is back!
What's y'all's favorite vegetable? Vegetable. Veggie table.
Is avocado a fruit or vegetable? Fruit? It's kale. Kale's the best. Kale's the best vegetable.
Kale is caca. Spelled K-A-K-A. Or kale.
You like spinach?
That's my favorite.
Kale's better. You could put spinach on more things though.
Cool.
Tickle me elbow.
Give this video a thumbs up if you think Magic has a little face. And a little head.
You get this video a thumbs up if you think you can burp louder than her. Because anybody can burp louder than her.
But have you?
Yeah.
No, she hasn't.
Mm-hmm.
Video or it didn't happen.
I did. She farted.
No, I didn't. She lied. Well.
Point proven. Look, our point here is proven. If you can burp louder than her, give this video a thumbs up. Oh shit.
Oh, I feel so much fucking better, bruh. Nasty. My bad, fam. Lo siento, fam. Right in my face, you. What's that?
Can't do this.
Neither can you.
I'm doing it. If you like this video, don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get a fucking so you get a notification every single time we do what? Post a video! I don't abuse her, I swear!
post the video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell button so you get a notification every single time we do what?
Post